Hello guys, so today we'll learn how to remove green screen in After Effects. So I have this amazing drone footage here. If I scrub through it, you can see it's zooming into the waterfall, but we want to achieve something right here. But to do that, let's add our green screen footage. I have this footage of a dinosaur, whatever they call this type of dinosaurs, I don't care. So, but what we want to achieve is to remove this green background here. So once I have my footage here, I will hit S on my keyboard and it's going to open the scale control, and I'm going to scale this down. I think I like it like this. A little, yeah, this is perfect. So you can see that the dinosaur is flying, and now we want to remove this green background. But to do that, you have to go to the effects and presets panel right here and search for key light. And once you search for that, you would see key light 1.2. so we would use that, drag it and add it to your clip. And once you're done with that, select your clip, come to the effect controls panel, select the eyedropper tool here and click the green part of your video, and it's going to remove it. It's that simple. So that's the main purpose of this tutorial, how to remove green screen. So we have done that. So now, but if I play this, you can see that the motion is not actually matching very well. You can see that the movement of the environment is not flowing with how our dinosaur is flying. So what we can do to fix that is to reverse our footage. So you select this drone footage, right click and go to time and time reverse layer. Once you do that, it's going to reverse the layer for you. So after reversing the layer, if I play this, you'd see that it's going very smoothly. So there are different aspects of compositing this. If you want to take it higher, like blending the colors of the environment and the dinosaur or whatever, but that's not the main purpose of this tutorial. So but this is what we wanted to achieve here. So there are several other key light controls, and we'll address that in the next video. Thank you for watching.